Would you believe me if I said over 160 everyday people, mums and dads, have built six figures online income using a system that only takes 2 hours a day? I'm not talking about influencers or tech geniuses. I'm talking about real people, people with full-time jobs, kids, bills, and zero tech experiences. They use something called the Legacy Builders program, and it completely changed their lives. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it, step by step, and how you can start your own digital business even if you haven't made $1 online. And here's the deal. Stay with me till the end because I'm giving you the Freedom Formula Blueprint, a free roadmap that shows you how to start your own online business in just 2 hours a day. So grab your coffee, get comfy, because this video might just be the turning point you've been praying for. By the way, one of the stories I'll share later in this video is about a dad who went from paycheck to making daily pay online. So make sure you stick around for that. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hajera. My mission is to help working parents create both financial and time freedom, so you can finally quit your 9 to 5 and actually be present with your kids, not just see them 1 hour before bedtime. On this channel, we talk about online income, automation, and building a business that gives you freedom without sacrificing your family. So if that sounds like something that you're working towards, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because I post new videos every week that shows you how to make your first dollar online and then scale to full-time income. Now, before I show you how this all works, let's talk about why you should listen. The strategies I'm about to share aren't random. They've helped over 163 people hit six figures from home through the Legacy Builders program and created 23 self-made millionaires in South African rand. And thousands of people are earning daily income online. And when I started learning these strategies, I actually invested $900 to be mentored by one of the top experts in this space, and it was worth every penny, because the truth is, what I learned didn't just create income, it created options. So whether you're tired of missing family moments or just ready to stop stressing about bills, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how ordinary people are building extraordinary lives with digital products. And later in this video, I'm going to share how one small mindset shift helped people I just hit $1,000 day online. Stay tuned for that part. It's powerful. Oh, before we dive into the steps, make sure to grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's my step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to start your own digital business in just 2 hours a day. Comment the word blueprint down below and I'll send it right to you. It's the same roadmap hundreds of people used to start their first digital income stream, so don't skip it. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche that matches your story. Alright, step 1. You need to choose your niche. But here's the twist. Don't just pick what's popular. Pick something that aligns with your story, your passion, and your values. When I started, I wanted to help other parents who felt stuck in that paycheck to paycheck cycle, because I've been there. The truth is, people don't just buy information, they buy transformation. And that's what exactly the Legacy Builders program helps you do. It teaches you how to turn what you already know or love into a digital business that runs online without the tech overwhelm. Now I know what you're thinking, but I don't have any followers or skills. Don't worry, the next step solves that. Step 2. Use digital products to build leverage. See, most people trade time for money, but the key to freedom is leverage. With digital products and master resale rights, you can create something once and sell it over and over again, keeping 100% of the profit. Inside the Legacy Builders program, you get 4 different income streams already built for you. You don't have to create your own course, websites, or tech setup. It's 90% automated. The system literally works for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping or spending time with your kids. So instead of chasing clients, you're building an income stream that runs on autopilot. In just a second, I'll show you how some members are making daily pay using the same system. But first, let's talk about what really makes this work long term. Step 3. Build a real connection, aka your email list. Here's something that nobody tells you. Your social media following don't belong to you. Your email list does. That's why we teach you how to move people from your social media to your own email list, where you can build trust, share value, and turn followers into customers. This is where the real money happens, because when people trust you, they buy from you. And the beautiful part, you're not just selling, you're helping people change their financial story, just like you're changing yours. Step 4. Focus on one system and stay consistent. Now, here's one of the biggest mistakes I see. Trying to do everything. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, new side hustle every month. It's exhausting. The truth is, success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing things right consistently. Inside Legacy Builder, we show you how to master one proven system, focus on one offer, and use one traffic source so you don't burn out. When you stay focused, your results multiply. Think of it like watering one plant every day, instead of sprinkling little water on 10 different ones. The one that you nurture, that's the one that grows. And if you've ever felt like you're stuck or start over every month, this next step is going to shift everything for you. Step 5. The 2 levers that create freedom. Traffic and conversions. Here's the secret sauce. There are only 2 levers to pull in an online business: traffic and conversion. Traffic is how people see your offer. Conversion is how many of them actually buy. If you want to grow faster, you either bring in more traffic or improve your conversion. Inside Legacy Builders, we teach both. You'll learn how to attract your ideal customer, how to create content that builds trust, and how to use automated funnel to turn that traffic into sales, even while you're offline. And this is the part that gives you freedom, because once your system is set up, it keeps working for you. Whether you're on vacation, at your kids' soccer game, or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, your business doesn't stop. And if you think you need a ton of followers to make real money, wait until you hear what I'm about to share next. Step 6. You don't need no followers, experience, or tech skills. One of the biggest myths out there is that you need a massive audience or tech background to make money online. You don't. The Legacy Builders program was designed for beginners. It's plug and play, step by step, and it gives you the tools you need to start earning without being glued to your phone. You get live coaching, mentorship from 6 and even 7-figure earners, and a supportive community of over 56,000 people all growing together. And the best part, you can start with just 2 hours a day. That's it. Imagine what an extra $300, $600 or $900 a week would do for your family. By the way, if you want to see the next step to get started, I'll show you how to access them for free in just a minute. Step 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. Listen, the biggest difference between people who succeed and those who quit is consistency. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. Every 6-figure earners in our community started exactly where you are, busy, nervous, unsure if it will work. But they decided to take that one small step. And that's what created momentum. Freedom isn't built overnight, it's built daily. And the best part is you don't have to do it alone. If you're living paycheck to paycheck or just want to be more present with your kids without sacrificing your income, it's time to take that first step. I have a free class that walks you through how to create financial and time freedom using digital products, even if you have no experience. Go to the first link in the description below to watch it. It's completely free and it could be the most important 30 minutes you spend this week. Because 1 year from now, you'll either be in the same place or you'll look back and say, that video was the day that everything changed. If you got value from this video, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and helps me reach more families who need this message. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. And if you're ready to learn more, check out my other videos about quitting your 9-to-5 and building digital income from home. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Remember, you're not behind, you're right on time. Your freedom story starts the moment you decide to start.